Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. PVC legging pants style with a crop jacket and high neck top create a layered and structure outfit that is practically suitable for night drive setting where comfort, warmth, and visual clarity are equally important. This combination work by introducing multiple layers that interact successively, layered that complement without option. Reflective surface of PVC adds suitable visual interest under low lighting conditions, enhancing the overall aesthetic without requiring bold embellishment. This high neck all serve as the foundational layer, providing coverage and a clean base that support the rest of the outfit. Its structured neckline adds sense of refinement while maintaining practically, especially in color. A well-fitted tones ensure that it integrates smoothly with the PVC and balance color plated that support the overall look. The crop jacket introduce a key structure element that defines the proportion of the outfit while maintaining proportion with the fitted legging short length help clear visually break that enhance the silhouette without disrupting continuity. These The jacket should feel comfortably accessories the shoulder and arms, allowing or easy of movement while maintaining a clean and road appearance. PVC legging in this context act as u- unifying base that ties together the layer upper element, providing a sleek and consistent line throughout the outfit. Their refined fitted nature contrasted effectively with the structure jacket and the clean lines of the high neck top, creating a balanced combination that feel modern and intentional, ensuring preparation. Fit is essential to maintain comfort during extended period of the sitting of movement. Whatever should elegant with the practical nature of the night drive favorite option that offer low profile boot or sportive outfit tone, accessories, shoulder minimal and function, including item like that don't influence with easy can be hair and makeup. Focusing are kept natural and refined focusing and during and comfort. This outfit highlight to layering can be used effectively to adopt PVC legging into a more practical and structured look suitable for by element with careful attention to preparation and comfort. The final result become both visually. Thanks for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos. Bye.